this gorgeous Lauren by Ralph Lauren bag is in fact not one bag but three. Is that three? Three. It comes with a crossbody and a little wallet as well. It's so cool. So it comes with the original dust bag and a little care dock. And then we'll show you this one first. This is a top handle bag and it's quite strong, it's quite structured in this beautiful shade of brown. It's got the tag on the front which opens to a flat pocket there. You've got a little D-ring here and the zip goes all the way around to the other side, which means you can really open it up and see what's inside. So you've got this huge space with one zipped pocket and then on the other side two deep flat pockets. Okay, really, really good size. I'll come back here, you can see the size of the bag. So it also comes with a crossbody which has an adjustable strap, little crossbody, and it's got a flat pocket on the front, zip top closure, and again flat pocket inside and the main compartment. And then this little wallet, again zip top. There is inside a little flat pocket here and then you've got the main bit of the bag as well. All of it is in excellent condition. It's all absolutely fabulous. Really brilliant for like travelling with. You've got big bags to put magazines and things in. You've got your crossbody which would fit inside, which you could put bits and bobs that you perhaps want when you're just nipping to the shop. And then this which you might want to put some toiletries or lip gloss or something in for when you pop to the loo. So absolutely, I just love it. It's just such a gorgeous little three-piece set.